Hello viewers, we now have a change in the name of Windows Update and I think it's a good improvement. If you look at other operating systems, they usually use short and simple name for their update packages. For example, Mac OS just says something like updating to Mac OS version and that's it. But Windows has always used very long and complicated names, including catalog numbers and other details. For example, an update might say something like Windows 11 version 25 H2X64 based and so on, just too long. Now Microsoft has announced that this will change. You may have already noticed that the latest cumulative update preview appeared simply as preview update instead of cumulative update preview for Windows 11 etc. That's how simple the new names will be. You might see update called thing like update for Windows, short and clear. From now on there will be names like NET framework preview update, NET framework update, security update, preview update, update for Windows. No more long confusing title this no one really need. I think this is a very good change, something that should have happened a long time ago. There is no reason for update names to be so complicated. The catalog numbers, KB numbers will still exist, which is useful if you need to download the update manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. But apart from that, everything will be simple now. Just preview update, security update or update for Windows. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.